Did you know that eating this before M can spike your blood sugar? If you have prediabetes or want to lose belly fat, this is the #1 mistake you're making every single day. Picture this. You wake up, you're hungry. What do? You go to the kitchen and you make yourself some breakfast. First, let's talk about the deadly trio that's been wrecking your mornings: white flour, hidden sugars, and processed drinks. No more glucose spikes. No more crashing hunger. It's natural, effective, and almost nobody talks about it. See you there. You feel lighter, more focused, and your metabolism calms down. No need for strict diets, just smart changes. If you have insulin resistance, these are like weapons of mass destruction to your glucose levels. So it's time to ditch them. Instead, you want to replace them with the dynamic duo, chia seed and flax seed. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients that will help you feel full and satisfied without spiking your blood sugar. Here's the best part. 1 tablespoon of each seed in warm water, just 20 minutes before breakfast, can make a world of difference. Yes, you heard that right, just 20 minutes. Mix it up, let it sit, and watch your belly fat start to vanish. And hey, don't worry about adding a little sweetness with stevia berry or some sliced almonds. A little goes a long way. In fact, you'll probably find yourself reaching for less sweet treats after just a few days. Trust me, it's like magic. 1 tablespoon of chia seed and flaxseed can slow the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream, reduce inflammation, balance your hormones, and leave you feeling amazing in just days. Science has proven it, and thousands of my clients have experienced it firsthand. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to do. Just add a spoonful of chia and flaxseed to your morning routine and watch what happens. You'll feel lighter, more focused, and energized in no time. So why wait? Start today and join the movement. Drop a comment below and let us know when you start taking control of your health by saying no to sugar before a M. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. We're all in this together. So don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions. I'm here to support you every step of the way. And for those of you who want to dive deeper into the world of healthy living, don't forget to subscribe. You'll get access to exclusive content and special offers. Let's make this the healthiest year yet. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. They think they're making healthy choices, but they're actually fueling the problem, not the solution. So let me explain. When you eat carbs, especially white flour and products, your blood sugar rises. When that happens, your pancreas releases insulin to bring it down. Insulin is like a key that unlocks your cells to let sugar in for energy. But here's the catch. When you eat carbs over and over, your cells get tired of opening the door. They become resistant, hence the term insulin resistance. Think of it like a broken lock on a door. The key no longer works properly. Now your cells can't use sugar like they should. So instead of providing energy, the sugar starts to build up outside the cells in your bloodstream. This overload of sugar is like pouring gasoline on your metabolism first thing in the morning. You feel sluggish, bloated, and your body is on high alert, ready to store any extra sugar as fat, especially around your belly area. And let's not forget about the hidden sugars. Those sneaky carbs can lurk in unexpected places like yogurt, ketchup, salad dressings, and sauces. They're the silent saboteurs of your weight loss goals, messing with your hunger hormones and turning that hunger into cravings. Oh, and don't think that natural 100 fruit juice is doing you any favors either. Those are loaded with natural sugars that hit your bloodstream faster than you can say diabetes. Plus, when you drink your calories, your body doesn't get the full fiber experience, which means you'll be hungry in no time. Maybe it's white bread with butter and jam or a nice bowl of cereal. And to get the day started, you pour yourself a nice cup of coffee with milk or maybe a green tea. If you're feeling healthy, you might even drink one of those natural juices from a box. Sounds pretty normal, right? Well, within the next hour or two, your body goes into silent chaos. Your insulin spikes, your belly starts storing fat, and before you know it, it's a M and you're already hungry again. This is the deadly cycle that makes losing weight nearly impossible, and it all starts first thing in the morning. The worst part, most people don't even realize what's happening. So how do you break this cycle and finally start seeing results? When you swap white bread and juice for fiber and healthy fats, your body finds balance. If this made sense to you, hold on, because in the next video, I'll show you a green leaf tea combo that cleans your gut and melts belly fat while you sleep.